Hi everybody, this is Amy, and when I don't feel good, I don't leave my house. So, this video is going to be some real motivation for you guys to clean. This is the worst unorganized cabinet in my kitchen, and this is the way the shelf came when I moved in. So, here's the outside of my shelves. Yeah. And here's the inside. So this is ridiculous. I have groceries I have to put away, and what I normally do when I do something like this is I'll take everything out, figure out what's about to expire that I'm not going to use, and then I donate it on a local Facebook group for somebody in my area who's in need. So I get it cleaned and organized, donate, and then restock it up with the holidays, with the kiddos coming over. You know, everything just busy. Things got shoved in. And since I can't leave the house, I'm not someone that just can lay like in bed and do nothing. So at least I'll feel like I accomplished something. So I want you guys to tell me in the comment section one thing you're going to clean or organize today. Use this as motivation. This is what's called being real on your channel. Showing your dirty laundry or your dirty cabinet, as I will say. Just be real, guys. Just be real. That's why I can't do those fancy videos where you put your makeup on and your hair and you like stage the shot. It's never going to be me. I don't feel good when I'm doing these type of videos, so we're just going to keep it real. So what I'm going to do is when I'm taking the items out, I actually grabbed a marker and I'm going to mark the expiration date on the outside of the cans to make it a lot easier, even on the peanut butter, just so I can actually see it. So I'm looking in the cabinet, I'm like, oh, that's about to expire. I should probably use it. All the baking stuff in one area, all the pasta and that kind of stuff in another area. And then 2 seconds in, I already have stuff to donate. The Pop-Tarts, I have about 10 boxes of those in the other cabinet because I got that really good deal at Stop & Shop a little bit ago. The Jiffy Corn Mix, I have 2 of them, and this one's about to expire, so I'm going to let somebody else use it before it does. And of course, I'm going to wipe out the cabinets in between putting the stuff back. Alright everybody, so I finished. I'm going to show you the other cabinet I did as well. I really don't feel good, so I'm kind of excited to be done. I just got to bring all the garbage out because there was stuff I had to throw away because it's expired. So anyway, I did the vegetables, you know, peas, corn, beans, all that stuff. Tuna fish I did on top. Because I'm limited in cupboard space, I do have to double things up. Like everything goes back. There's going to be a shadow because the light's ahead of me. Or ahead of me, the light's above me. So there's going to be a shadow, but maybe I can show you with the mac and cheese. Everything goes back in a row. So it is double stacked. I put everything that's going to expire first up front. I used the organizers that I already had. Believe it or not, those were free from a dumpster dive. Yes, and I put them in my cabinets. Yep, I did. I sure did, and they worked perfect. So organize that. All the sauce stuff on top. Extra stuffing. Bake mix, sugar. I just put a bag on the top of the sugar. And flour. Alright, let me show you what I'm going to donate, but it's a lot better. It's a lot more organized. I know everything I have now. I've got a bunch of stuff over to the left I've got to organize. That's all snack stuff. I don't know if I'm going to do a video or not. If I do, I do. If I don't, I don't. Alright, hold on. Okay, so this is all the stuff I'm donating. Somebody gave me that canned sauce. I don't eat canned sauce. I have acid reflux, so that doesn't go well with me. Look at my little fairy garden lights. Oh, guys, I did finish my little, there we go. I know a few of you wanted to see that. I did finish it. So, I gotta tell you guys, Christmas was super traumatic for me. Between my birthday and Christmas, just not a fun time. And I wish I could tell you guys what happened, but I really can't. But I've been going through some stuff. I've definitely been going through some stuff. And, you know, I didn't get to do all the holiday things I normally do. One of them being the sugar cookies. So I'm going to donate them to somebody who can use them and make cookies with their kids or something and enjoy them because I didn't get to. I have a ton of Pop-Tarts. I got this mix that I honestly never used. I find stuff that's super cheap or on clearance. And I never use it. So that's that. I just hit my hand with my leg. Or my leg with my hand. Or my hand with my leg. My hand to my leg. That was that noise. So then I've got a ton of these Nutri-Grain bars that I got. I was going to give to my daughter. She never wanted to take the Nutri-Grain bars. And what did I get, guys, on my main channel? Like, or was it this channel? Like 10 boxes of these things. So I'm going to give some of them. I still have some. I'm going to give some away to somebody who might be able to use them. And I have too much pasta, so I'm not going to use it in time for it to expire. And I know expiration dates are just a number, and I will eat things after an expiration date. But I would rather give this to somebody else, because I'm just kind of tired of this pasta. I've had it forever. Now, my other cabinet. Okay, so this is nice and organized as well. See, I've got a bunch of Pop-Tarts still. I've got Nutri-Grain bars still. I have those cake mixes from the Dollar Tree. And then a bunch of just extra stuff down here. So I went through all of this stuff, and it's all stuff I'm going to keep. So I know exactly what I have. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. I'll talk to you guys as soon as I can. Bye.